In today's video, we will study about the balanoglosses. Okay, balanoglosses belong to the phylum Hemichordata, class Enteroneosta. Balanoglossus is a protochordate and it is usually or commonly known as a acorn worm. It is marine animal, burrowing in habit. It has a cylindrical in shape, growing to a length of 10 to 15 centimeter. The body consists of three regions, namely an anterior region referred to as a proboscis, a collar, and a posterior region refers to as a trunk, which is a long one. Okay, the proboscis is conical in shape. It is used for burrowing. The collar connects the proboscis with the trunk. Okay, the trunk is long and it is transversely wrinkled. It consists of three regions, namely an anterior branchiogenital region, a middle hepatic region, and the posterior abdominal region. So trunk is further divided into three regions. It is anterior part is referred to as a branchiogenital region, the middle part is referred to as a hepatic region, and the posterior part is referred to as an abdominal region. The branchial region contains two rows, the branchial apertures. Okay, the genital region will contain a gonads, and the hepatic regions will contain a hepatic caca. Okay, the mouth is located at the anterior end of the collar, whereas the anus is situated at the posterior end of the abdomen. The notochord is represented by an outgrowth of a buccal cavity referred to as a buccal diverticulum. The sexes are separate and fertilization is external. The development is indirect and it includes a larval stage referred to as a Tornaria larva. Okay. Balanoglossus is a connecting link between the invertebra and chordate. That's why it is very important, and there has been lot of study has been taken place or going through, because it forms a link between a connecting link between an invertebrates and chordate. Okay, so this is about just for your general knowledge, just I have taken one example. Balanoglossus. Balanoglossus come under the class Enteroneosta. Okay. Thank you, student. If you have any question regarding this topic, then please let me know. Okay. Thank you.